Hello, good morning students. As we are studying the chapter immunity, the next topic is we're going to study is immune system in the body. In this, we will mainly study the lymphoid organs, but the human immune system consists of lymphoid organ, tissue cells and soluble molecules like antibodies. We will now study the lymphoid organs of the immune system. Lymphoid organs are those organs where the maturation and proliferation of lymphocytes take place. Now, types of lymphoid organs. Basically, these organs are concerned with the formation of lymphocytes. If we see the type of lymphoid, we'll mainly study two types of lymphoid organs, which are primary lymphoid organ and secondary lymphoid organ. In the primary lymphoid organ, we'll mainly study thymus and bone marrow, while the secondary lymphoid organ consists of spleen, lymph node, malt, which is mucosa associated lymphoid tissue, tonsils and Pierce patches. So these are the two primary and secondary lymphoid organs. Now we're going to discuss each one in detail. First we are going to study with primary lymphoid organs. Primary lymphoid organs, these are those organs where T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes mature and acquire their antigen specific receptor. Next, after maturation, they migrate to secondary lymphoid organ. As we know, primary lymphoid organ includes bone marrow and thymus. First, we are going to study the bone marrow. Bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ. Next, all blood cells including lymphocytes are formed here in the bone marrow. Maturation of B lymphocytes also occurs here in bone marrow. This is all about the bone marrow. Next is thymus. It is also known as primary lymphoid organ. Thymus, it is the site for T lymphocytes maturation. Second, it is situated near heart. Next, thymus is quite large in size at the time of birth, but keep reducing with age. As we have discussed this earlier also, T lymphocytes are responsible for bringing cell-mediated immunity, which are antibody-dependent immune response, while B lymphocytes are responsible for humoral immunity, which is mainly produced by the B cell. Next is secondary lymphoid organ. After maturation, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes migrate via blood or lymph to secondary lymphoid organ. In the secondary lymphoid organ, they undergo proliferation, that is multiplication, and differentiation, that is division. They acquire immune response to antigen developed in these organs to form effector cell against a specific foreign molecule. As we have discussed, secondary lymphoid organs include lymph node, spleen, tonsils, Frias patches, and malt. First, we're going to discuss is lymph node. Lymph node, they are the small solid structures found at interval along the lymphatic. Next, they are composed of lymphoid tissue and act as filters for lymph from preventing foreign particle from entering the bloodstream, so can be protected against infection. Lymph node also produces lymphocytes, whether B or T, and plasma cell, and we know plasma cell will form antibodies. Next organ, secondary lymphoid organ, is spleen. It is a bean-shaped organ which is largest single mass of lymphoid tissue in the body. In fetus, the spleen produces all type of blood cells, but in adult it only forms lymphocytes. It also contains macrophages. Macrophages of spleen are phagocytes, that is, they eat the cell, the foreign cell, and kill it. This is all about the spleen. Next lymphoid organ we'll discuss is tonsils. Tonsils, usually there are 6 tonsils. They act as filter to protect body from bacteria and aid in the formation of white blood. Next organ is Peyer's patches. Peyer patches, they are the clusters of lymph node nodules found in small intestine. This is an important point. The site is small intestine and produces lympho, which will defense against the foreign body. Next is malt. Malt is mucosa or mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. They are found in major tract like respiratory, alimentary canal and urogenital. Next, they are the central lymphocyte production. Lymphocyte production, which includes T and B lymphocyte. Besides this, they also produce phagocytic cells, macrophage and dendritic. So this is all about the lymphoid organ, which are mainly primary and secondary, and further the description. Thank you.